So I was laying in my bed. And next thing I know, I hear, get up, wake up. Come on, wake up. I said, what is it? There's somebody at the door. I said, Francis, why are you waking me up? I think they're trying to break in. I said, Francis, look, I'm trying to sleep. Why don't you just peek out the side window and see who it is? What did they say, me? Well, if they say you and they was going to break in, trust me, they'll change their mind. But at least you'll be able to tell who's outside. I'm going back to sleep. So she left. A few minutes later, she's back. Get up, wake up, girl, wake up. You were right. I was right about what, Francis? It's the publishing people outside. They're here for us. Get up, we gotta come to the door. The publishing people? Yeah, remember every year we fill out for their magazines. And they have a contest. If you ask for the right magazine, you might actually be a winner. Okay, so I got dressed as fast as I could. And we went over to the door. She was right, it was the publishing people. And the man said, hello. Congratulations, F. Barnes. You are a winner. And we both looked at each other. And we looked back at him and said, yes, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And he said, which one of you is F. Barnes? And I said, well, both of us are F. Barnes. The man said, I don't understand. I said, well, I'm Francine Barnes, and this is my sister, Frances. He said, well, that presents a little problem. I'm looking here, and it says just F. Barnes. There's no first name spelled out. So we have to find out somehow who only one winner will get the check. I said, well, there's gotta be a way you can tell. And then it came to me. I said, can you tell which magazine they ordered? The winner? And he said, that's a good idea. Let me check. I'll check right now. So we pulled out a few papers and he looked through them. And then he pulled out one and said, here it is. I got it. I said, well, what magazine was it? He said, it was the Fishing, Hunting, and Shooting magazine. And all of a sudden I hear, congratulations to me. I won. Yes. Thank you. Yes. I said, whoa. And the man said, congratulations, ma'am. And he was getting ready to hand to her the check. And I said, wait a minute. Francis. Yes. You ain't never been fishing, hunting, or shooting in your life. Why did you order that magazine? I was thinking about it. I was planning on it. You were planning on it. Well, what were you planning on fishing for? I was planning on fishing for money. Okay. Oh, what was you planning on hunting? I was planning on hunting some men. All right. Fishing, hunting. What was you planning on shooting? And then Francis looked at me and said, anyone who gets in the way of my hunting and fishing. And I said,